Home security is a top priority for families throughout Houston, where a blend of suburban comfort and big city growth means homeowners are always looking for ways to stay protected. One of the most effective and often overlooked upgrades is replacing old or worn-out doors. A new entry, patio, or side door can dramatically increase the security of your home, giving you greater peace of mind every day. Here's how replacement doors strengthen protection across Houston neighborhoods. Stronger materials designed to withstand forced entry. Many older homes in Houston were built with builder-grade doors that weren't designed with today's security standards in mind. Over time, these doors warp, crack, or weaken, making them easier for intruders to target. Modern replacement doors, however, are engineered with reinforced materials such as steel, fiberglass, and solid core wood. These upgraded materials resist kicking, prying, and other forced entry attempts much more effectively than outdated hollow core or aging wood doors. Fiberglass and steel doors are especially popular in Houston because they combine strength with weather resistance. They won't swell from humidity or warp under intense Texas heat, which keeps the door tightly sealed and secure year-round. Advanced locking systems and hardware security is more than just the door itself. It also depends on the lock and hardware. Replacement doors today are typically designed to pair with multi-point locking systems, heavy-duty deadbolts, and reinforced strike plates. These upgrades make it far more difficult for intruders to break in by force or manipulation. In addition, new doors often come with stronger hinges, hinge bolts, and tamper-resistant mounting features. These small details make a big difference in neighborhoods where homeowners want added protection without compromising on style or convenience. Better fit means fewer weak points. A major vulnerability in older homes is poorly fitting doors. Gaps, misaligned frames, and worn weather stripping not only affect energy efficiency, they also create opportunities for a break-in. Replacement doors are custom fitted to your existing frame, ensuring a snug, secure installation. When a door fits tightly, it's much harder to pry open or manipulate. Professional installation also reinforces the frame itself, helping the door stay firmly in place even under pressure. This tighter seal helps secure everything from front entries in Memorial and Westchase to back patio doors in neighborhoods like Clear Lake, Kingwood, and Copperfield. Impact-resistant options for added protection. Houston's climate brings its own set of challenges, and homeowners know the importance of preparing for high winds, heavy storms, and unexpected weather events. Many replacement doors come with impact-resistant glass and reinforced construction, originally designed for hurricane-prone areas. While this is an important safety feature during storms, it also adds another layer of security against potential intruders. Impact-resistant doors and sidelights are extremely difficult to break, providing both weather protection and enhanced security for families across Houston. Improved sight lines and visibility security also includes awareness. Many modern replacement doors feature upgraded glass options that allow you to clearly see outside without sacrificing privacy. Textured, frosted, or tinted glass lets natural light in while preventing outsiders from seeing into your home. For areas where visibility matters, such as front entries facing busy streets or alleys, homeowners can choose doors with built-in blinds or high-security decorative glass. With these features, you can monitor your surroundings more easily and reduce blind spots around your property. A smart home upgrade for today's Houston lifestyle. Today's replacement doors can also integrate seamlessly with smart home technology, giving you more control over access and monitoring. From smart deadbolts to video doorbells, the modern homeowner can manage entry points from their phone, even when they're away. Whether you're living in a quiet suburban cul-de-sac or a bustling inner-loop neighborhood, these features offer convenience and added protection. A replacement door is more than a cosmetic upgrade, it's a meaningful investment in your home's security. For Houston homeowners looking to protect their families, secure their property, and upgrade their home's value, installing a new door is a smart and effective step toward peace of mind.